Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 2 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. Hey Freedom Stackers! Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Let me start by saying I'm not a financial advisor. Do not take anything that I say in this video or any of my other videos as financial advice. This is what I'm doing. This is what I am inviting you to join me in doing, so that we all have the ability to save more of our money. Well, you made it. It's week 2 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. And you've made it. If you don't know what I'm talking about, and this is your first video that you're seeing on this topic, go back and check out this playlist from the beginning, because this is a step-by-step weekly walkthrough in order to be able to save $1,378 in a year's time. And you can't say it can't be done, because we already did it last year. Whether you decide to save your money in an envelope or a shoebox, or me myself, I save mine in my Acorns account. If you don't already have an Acorns account and you'd like to open one, go ahead and use the code in any of my videos. That way it'll know that you came from me, and you'll get $5 and I'll get $5 added to my account for free. Hey Freedom Stackers, Freedom Stacker here. Well, it's week 2 of the $1 weekly ascending challenge. So this week we're going to be adding $2. We'll do a one-time deposit. And as I've said before, Acorns, the lowest amount that you can put in is $5. So I'll just go ahead and put in another $5 this week as well. Never hurts to be ahead of the game. So go ahead and invest $5. Confirm. Congrats. Got it. So we are well on our way. Even though it's only week 2, we are on our way of hitting our goal of making $1,378 in a year's time. I ended up purchasing a 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle, a 1/4 ounce American Gold Eagle, and 20 American Silver Eagles with the $1,378. Got it from 3 different places, so stay tuned till when those show up, because that'll be a quite exciting series, I believe. I know Monster Bucks said he was pleased with my decision. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email, on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.